Hi, I'm Captain Russ from Pompano Beach, MarineMax. I'm here on the 405 Conquest Boston Whaler, and I'm going to show you about through-hull fittings, seacocks, and sea strainers right below this hatch. Here on this model, you'll see that there's 4 through hulls with sea strainers, one that's only a discharge. They run to different components that require raw water or seawater to run on. For instance, washdown pumps, coolant for the generators, water supply for the head. So we're below deck on the 405 now, and this is where the seacocks are. They're attached to the through hulls, and they have a handle on them that you can open and close for water to come through the sea strainer. It's very important that these are kept in shape as far as maintenance-wise. Periodically, once a month would be good, to make sure that you can close them in the case of an emergency. If something were to happen, a hose leaks, something breaks, for whatever reason you need to close it. Also, when hauling, you always want to close these to keep everything secure. Not only is it important to identify which it's going to, but it's important to inspect the hoses and the clamps for any corrosion that may cause a future issue of leaking. It's also important to confirm that all the units are open while in operation, for instance, your generator or your heads or your washdown. And remember, while inspecting, if any of these handles are ever stuck, don't force them. Be sure to email pompanocustomercare@marinemax.com. Thank you for watching.